This is the story of Gulfstream, but also of Alan Paulson, the visionary who built this aviation empire. From humble beginnings to industry dominance, Paulson's relentless pursuit of excellence transformed Gulfstream into a symbol of opulence and innovation, turning it into the world's largest private jet company. Alan Paulson was born in 1922 in Clinton, Iowa. He grew up during the Great Depression, and his childhood was marked by financial hardships. Despite these challenges, Paulson's innate curiosity and fascination with aviation were evident from a young age. His family often recounts how he would spend hours watching planes fly overhead, dreaming of the day he could take to the skies. Young Paulson's family was supportive. They encouraged his interests despite their limited means. His father was a mechanic, and he often shared his knowledge and skills with young Alan. This fostered an early understanding of machinery. This hands-on experience with mechanical systems sparked Paulson's passion for aviation and laid the foundation for his future endeavors. At the age of 12, Paulson built his first model airplane from scrap materials. The airplane astonished his family and neighbors with its complexity and functionality. This early display of ingenuity was a harbinger of his future success. Even at a young age, Paulson demonstrated a remarkable ability to see potential where others saw obstacles. Another story from his teenage years further illustrates his leadership qualities. Paulson organized a small group of friends to collect and sell scrap metal, a valuable commodity during the war. Education played a significant role in shaping Paulson's path. He excelled in school, particularly in subjects related to science and engineering. Recognizing his potential, his teachers encouraged him to pursue higher education. After high school, Paulson attended the University of West Virginia. He studied engineering until his academic journey was interrupted by World War II. During the war, Paulson enlisted in the U.S. Army Air Corps. He served as a flight engineer. This experience was transformative and provided him with the valuable technical knowledge and practical skills. His time in the military also honed his leadership qualities and deepened his understanding of aircraft mechanics. After the war, Paulson returned to civilian life with a wealth of experience and a clear vision for his future. He pursued opportunities in the aviation industry, starting as an aircraft mechanic. His technical expertise and dedication quickly set him apart and paved the way for his eventual rise as a leading figure in aviation. These early experiences, his supportive family, hands-on education, and wartime service shaped Alan Paulson into a visionary leader. They provided the foundation for his future success, guiding him as he embarked on the journey to create Gulfstream Aerospace. The founding of Gulfstream Aerospace Corporation in 1958 marked the beginning of a new era in private aviation. Alan Paulson's vision was to create an aircraft that combined luxury, performance, and reliability. This ambition was fueled by his deep understanding of aircraft mechanics and his desire to innovate. However, the path to establishing Gulfstream was fraught with challenges. Paulson initially purchased Grumman Aircraft Engineering Corporation's light business aircraft division. He saw potential in their innovative designs. This strategic move allowed him to leverage existing technology while infusing his unique vision into the company. Rebranding it as Gulfstream Aerospace, Paulson set out to create a private jet that would set new standards in the industry. The early days of Gulfstream were marked by significant hurdles. Securing funding was one of the primary challenges. Convincing investors to back a new company in a niche market required a compelling vision and a persuasive leader. Paulson's reputation and passion for aviation played a crucial role in attracting the necessary capital. His ability to articulate the potential of Gulfstream's aircraft helped gain the trust and support of early investors. Developing the first prototype, the Gulfstream 1, was another major challenge. The process demanded rigorous testing and refinement to ensure the aircraft met Paulson's high standards for performance and safety. His hands-on approach was evident during this phase. He was deeply involved in every aspect of the design and testing, often personally inspecting the components and test flights. He personally test flew the first Gulfstream 1 prototype to demonstrate his trust in the aircraft's design. This decision earned him the respect of his team. The introduction of the Gulfstream 1 in 1959 was a significant milestone. It was the first business aircraft to feature a pressurized cabin, which allowed it to fly above turbulent weather and provide passengers with a smoother and more comfortable flight. This innovation set Gulfstream apart from its competitors and established a new benchmark in the industry. But Paulson's vision for Gulfstream extended beyond a single aircraft model. He aimed to build a series of aircraft that would continually push the boundaries of performance and luxury. The company's next project, the Gulfstream 2, was the first business jet to fly non-stop across the Atlantic. This achievement further solidified Gulfstream's reputation as a leader in the private aviation market. In addition to technological advancements, Paulson focused on building a strong corporate culture. He emphasized customer satisfaction and after-sales support. He understood that a successful business was not just about selling aircraft, but also about building lasting relationships with clients. This customer-centric approach became a cornerstone of Gulfstream's business strategy. The growth of Gulfstream Aerospace under Alan Paulson's leadership is a remarkable story of strategic decisions, innovation, and market expansion. From its modest beginnings, Gulfstream set new standards and continually pushed the boundaries of what private jets could achieve. One of the major turning points in Gulfstream's history was the introduction of the Gulfstream 2 in the mid-1960s. This aircraft was a game-changer. It was the first business jet to fly non-stop across the Atlantic. The Gulfstream 2's success catapulted the company into the international market and earned it a reputation for innovation and reliability. During the development of the Gulfstream 2, Paulson's insistence on perfection was legendary. When the initial cabin design did not meet his standard for luxury and comfort, he halted production for several weeks to redesign it. This decision was costly and time-consuming, but it underscored his commitment to quality and set a precedent for Gulfstream's attention to detail. The 1980s marked another significant phase of growth for Gulfstream. The introduction of the Gulfstream 3, with its advanced avionics and enhanced performance, further solidified the company's market position. This period also saw Gulfstream expanding its service network and establishing maintenance and support facilities around the world. The decision to go public in 1983 had a profound impact on Gulfstream's growth. This move provided the company with the capital needed to fund further research and development, and enabled it to stay ahead of competitors. The influx of capital also facilitated the acquisition of key technologies and the hiring of top talent. In the 1990s, Gulfstream continued to innovate with the introduction of the Gulfstream 4. This aircraft featured a state-of-the-art flight deck and set new standards for range and speed. The Gulfstream 4 was a commercial success and reinforced the company's reputation for producing high-performance, luxurious business jets. A pivotal moment during this time was Paulson's decision to personally visit potential customers to understand their needs and gather feedback. On one occasion, he flew to Europe to meet with a high-profile client who was considering a competitor's jet. Paulson's direct involvement and willingness to listen to customer feedback convinced the client to choose Gulfstream. The turn of the millennium saw Gulfstream entering new markets and expanding its product line. The Gulfstream 5, introduced in the late 1990s, was the first ultra-long-range business jet. This aircraft opened up new possibilities for global business travel and positioned Gulfstream as a leader in the ultra-long-range market. In the 2000s, Gulfstream's growth continued with the introduction of the Gulfstream G550 and G650. These aircraft featured advanced avionics, enhanced performance, and unparalleled comfort. The G650 in particular became synonymous with luxury and performance. It attracted high-profile customers from around the world. With a legacy built on the visionary leadership of Alan Paulson, Gulfstream continues to lead the market with its cutting-edge aircraft and exceptional customer service. Gulfstream's current fleet, which includes the G500, G600, and the flagship G700, sets new benchmarks in speed, range, and comfort. The flagship G700 presents the pinnacle of Gulfstream's engineering prowess. It boasts the longest, widest, and tallest cabin in the industry. The G700 can fly at speeds of up to almost Mach 1, and it has a range of 7,500 nautical miles. This aircraft is equipped with advanced safety systems, state-of-the-art entertainment options, and luxurious interiors. It is quite simply the ultimate choice for discerning travelers. Gulfstream's financial figures reflect its market dominance and continued success. The company generates revenues exceeding $10 billion annually. This financial strength allows Gulfstream to reinvest in research and development and ensure it remains at the forefront of innovation in the private jet industry. Major achievements in recent years include numerous awards for design and technology. Gulfstream has been recognized for its excellence in engineering, cabin design, and customer service. The G500 and G600, for instance, have received accolades for their advanced flight decks, which feature the Symmetry Flight Deck, a revolutionary design that enhances pilot situational awareness and safety. Beyond technological advancements, Gulfstream is also committed to sustainability. The company is actively developing more efficient, eco-friendly jets to reduce its environmental impact. Gulfstream's investment in sustainable aviation fuel is a key part of this strategy. The use of SAF can significantly reduce greenhouse gas emissions, and Gulfstream is dedicated to increasing the availability and use of this fuel across its fleet. Gulfstream has also implemented various initiatives to improve the environmental efficiency of its manufacturing processes. The company's facilities incorporate green building practices, and it continuously seeks ways to reduce waste, conserve energy, and minimize its carbon footprint. In addition to its focus on innovation and sustainability, Gulfstream maintains a strong emphasis on customer support. The company's global service network ensures that clients receive exceptional care wherever they are. This network includes maintenance centers, parts distribution centers, and field service representatives around the world, providing comprehensive support to Gulfstream operators. The company's future plans and strategies focus on innovation, sustainability, and expanding its market presence to meet the evolving needs of its clients. One of Gulfstream's primary strategies is to continue advancing its aircraft technology. The company is investing heavily in research and development to create the next generation of private jets. These future models aim to surpass current benchmarks in speed, range, and efficiency while incorporating the latest advancements in avionics and safety systems. Gulfstream's dedication to innovation ensures that its aircraft will continue to set industry standards and meet the high expectations of its discerning clientele. Sustainability is another key focus for Gulfstream as it moves forward. The company is committed to reducing its environmental impact through the development of more eco-friendly jets. This includes increasing the use of sustainable aviation fuel and exploring new technologies that enhance fuel efficiency and reduce emissions. Gulfstream's efforts in sustainability are not only environmentally responsible, they also align with the growing demand for clients for greener travel options. Emerging trends in the private jet industry, such as increased connectivity and personalized travel experiences, are also shaping Gulfstream's future plans. The company is enhancing its in-flight connectivity solutions to provide seamless communication and entertainment options for passengers. Additionally, Gulfstream is exploring ways to further customize its aircraft interiors, offering bespoke designs that cater to the unique preferences of each client. A further part of Gulfstream's vision for the future includes expanding its global footprint. The company plans to strengthen its presence in key markets around the world by establishing new service centers and partnerships. This expansion will ensure that Gulfstream's clients have access to top-notch support and maintenance services no matter where they are. As Gulfstream navigates the future, it remains guided by the principles established by its founder, Alan Paulson. The company's unwavering commitment to excellence, innovation, and customer satisfaction will continue to drive its success. Gulfstream's vision is to remain at the forefront of the private aviation industry, delivering unparalleled luxury and performance while embracing sustainable practices. With its eyes set on the horizon, Gulfstream is poised to continue its legacy of excellence, ensuring that its aircraft remain the preferred choice for the world's most discerning travelers.